We got lucky. We were in Singapore during the National Orchid Festival at the Singapore Botanic Gardens. I'm the NYC Traveler. Depending on your version of what's lucky, we noticed that the skies were darkening as we parked. Drops started trickling down as we walked to the main gate, and then the heavens let loose. We took shelter in the combo main gate / gift shop. I took the opportunity to buy my souvenirs there, just in case we didn't have time at the end of the tour, and it's a good thing that I did. The Singapore Botanic Gardens was our last stop of a timed guided tour. Eventually, the guide suggested that we buy ponchos and brave the storm. Otherwise, it was to go back to the bus and to the hotel. By the way, that's where my lovely rain gear was. Note to self, 35% chance of rain might be a guarantee of a downpour. I was looking forward to taking pro flower photos with my Nikon Z8, but that plan was shelved. I wrapped my camera in a plastic bag and shoved it in my backpack. At first, I was bummed about the rain, denying me the opportunity to fully explore the gardens beyond the Orchid Festival. Almost too late, I realized that a lot of the information about the festival was in Burkill Hall, where we were sheltering from the storm once we ran from the gift shop. After a while, I decided to make the best of it. Along with my rain gear, my GoPro was also at the hotel. For the first time, I decided to travel light, and for the first time, I regretted it. No matter, I used my iPhone and prayed that it was as water resistant as advertised. Shielding my phone with the sleeves of my poncho, I soldiered on and got as much footage and as many photos as I could get. The orchids we saw were lovely, and we learned that those flowers that were named after people were either because of the achievements of those people or if they contributed a nice donation to the gardens. The rain lessened, and so did our time. The hour had come for our departure, almost right when the storm ended. We saw some of the orchids, but not much of the park itself. I wasn't too disappointed. When the wheels touched down at Changi Airport, I was already planning my return to Singapore. So for now, this would be it. This was my visit to the Singapore Botanic Gardens for the National Orchid Festival. I'm the NYC Traveler.